Yeah, there seems to be some confusion about what you should turn in. A number of you have just turned in the HTML files, the ones that look more finished, but if you don't have the whole package for me, if there's links to other pages, just giving me one HTML file just gives me one HTML file. For example, we've got the images in here, and we have the style sheet here. So if you just give me one page, it's not going to be correct. It needs to look for the various things that make up the page. So consequently, when a site's on a server, all this stuff is there. See this stuff? It's all there because usually a home page is called an index page. We haven't gotten that far, and we're not going to. We're just getting a taste of Dreamweaver right now. But I still want to see your project, because if you just turn in one page, that's the only thing I'll see. For example, I'm going to, products is a good one because there's pictures. Okay, if you just give me that HTML page, I can look at source. You can look at source code in the internet, but for example, I'm going to go preview in Safari. I'm not going to be able to get that. I'm not going to even be able to do that. What you're able to do in here, if you just give me one page, because it won't. I guess this one isn't hooked in yet, which is fine. But what you need to do is when you go to save. When you finish saving your different pages and close your project, I'm going to go, okay, I'm done with all these. Here's the events page. This is number 4. So there's let's see, where's the style? See, there's a bunch of images in there, all the food and stuff. Here's a done one, I guess, but I hate to go there. Is there a products? But let's see what their products page looks like. See, they're all broken links because there's nothing that has been attached to it, and that's what I'll see. If you just gave me this product's HTML because it hasn't been told what to look for and pull up and all that good stuff, then that's what I would see. Just that one HTML with nothing else. Now, if you just give me this HTML, that's what I'll see, but I won't be able to go to the big ones of the vegetables because it won't have the coding. I will explain it further if I need to on Tuesday, but I just want you to know that I need the whole thing. So I'm going to close this, boom, and I'm going to hide my screen flow. And I'm going to show you what you should do. Where is, on my messy desktop? Okay, it was lesson 4. So I'm going to color it, because I'm on a Mac now. So I'll make it stand out. That's just for me. Oh, see, it wants to view everything alphabetically. So I'm just going to go name, and then I'm going to go none. Yay. Now, that's why I did that, so I could find it. There it is. It says 11 items. I'm going to compress it. See, I'm going to right-click on the file and compress it. If you're on a Mac, compress DW04 lessons, and it'll zip it. If you're on a PC, you can right-click on it, and you'll get this context menu, but it says, instead of compress, it says send to. And if you click on send to, it'll give you another menu that will let you compress it. If you're not sure, we'll talk about it in class. So there it is, the DW04 lessons. And then make a new folder with your name on it. Karen, Jocelyn, let's go DW04. And put the zip inside of that. And you might have to zip it again, actually. Compress it. see if you can, you're going to have to zip it if you're going to try to upload it to Desire to Learn. If it won't upload, then you'll either put it on the server or we can set up a Dropbox for it. It says 1.3 megabytes. Man, that should go in Desire to Learn pretty easily. You can always email it to me too. But you see, I need the whole thing. So when I get this from you, just for yucks, I'm going to move this to the trash. I'm going, I don't know, oh, there's 8 items in there. I'm going to move this to the trash. So now when I get your folder, you know, Mary Jones, DW04, I'm going to unzip it. And inside here, it says Karen Jossel, DW4. I'm going to open it, I think. My computer's a little slow. Hello. Open, please. Yes. Yes, please. Yay! And I have to do that again. And now when I open it, look at what's inside. And all I have to do is go into Dreamweaver at my house and say load new site the way you do. Like here, I'll do it. In fact, I'll call it something different right now. I'm going to give it a new name. I'm going to give it Dreamweaver Utopia, just to show you. Okay, there's Dreamweaver Utopia, and let's say it's one of yours. And so I'm going to go in here, I'm going to go to Site, I'm going to go to New Site. I can name it whatever I want, but I'll probably try to name it what you named it, Dreamweaver Utopia. But the important part is that here I go get your homework right there. And I go, okay, that's Mary Jones' homework. There's all the files. Choose, save, and it loads them all up here into the Dreamweaver project. And I'm good to go, because then all I have to do is go up here. Let's see, I'll pick one. I'll pick products again, because there's more stuff on there. And then I'll go, okay, let's see what they've done. And I'll preview it in one of my browsers. Okay, I'm previewing it now in Firefox. Why it's opening a new version of Firefox, I really don't know, but it is, or a different version. Maybe I have it on here twice. Possible? I don't know. There you go. A copy of only one copy can be opened at a time. Okay, fine. I guess I'll have to check that out. But you see, and I'll be able to do that. I wonder why it's got a black background. So now I have to look at the CSS, but we're good. So I want to see the whole thing. Kind of get it? If not, I'll go over this again in class, but I want to give you a heads up of what I'm looking for. You just do the whole project and zip it and give it to me with all of the HTML pages, the images. I don't care about the done folder, but whatever, however you do it. And I will load it into my Dreamweaver. Anyway, I'm being redundant now. So hope we're good.